Hi, I'm Nadia and I'm part of the education team at Caryl Baker Visage. Today, I'm going to teach you how to up your skincare regime by using eye serums as well as face serums. So the importance of using any type of serum on your skin, whether it may be for the eye area or the face, is that it does have a smaller molecular structure within the product itself. Therefore, it has the ability to penetrate into the deeper layers of the skin, specifically to target problematic areas. So now I'm going to show you how you're going to be using your serum at home. I use the Vitamin C Eye Serum because I am concerned with the darkness around my eye area. It does have the vitamin C, so it's going to help to lighten and brighten. But I'm also getting, older, so I want to make sure that I slow down the aging process. It does have hyaluronic acid in there, so it's going to help to boost hydration levels. So as you're seeing, I'm using my ring finger because it is the lightest in touch, and I'm just using a patting motion going around the orbital bone. Whenever you use an eye serum, you always want to use an eye cream on top. An eye cream is just going to help to hydrate the skin tissue. As far as our face serums, they are going to target different conditions of the skin. We have our Vitamin Enriched Skin Repair Complex, which is going to hydrate and nourish the skin. So someone who's experiencing lack of water content within the skin, that's what's going to help to boost the hydration. Then you have your hyaluronic acid, which is my absolute Caryl Baker Visage fave, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how to apply it. But it's full of hyaluronic acid. The importance of hyaluronic acid, it's an amino acid protein that already exists in the body. What it does, it acts like a reservoir, so it helps to hold water content within the skin. So fantastic for premature aging, fantastic for dehydrated skin, someone who's lacking a lot of water content in the skin. As we get older, we start to lose that. So you want to make sure that we are always boosting the hydration levels within the skin. Now, here's my face serum. I love it. My skin is super dehydrated, so it needs to drink a lot of water. So I just put a little, almost like a pea-sized amount here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pat it into my skin. Again, it does have a very small molecular structure, so we'll penetrate into the deeper layers of my skin. It also helps to boost your moisturizer. So when you're doing a patting motion here, you're also creating a lot of heat, which allows for your ingredients to penetrate deeper as well. You don't want to rub your serum into the skin because it does have high active ingredients. You don't want to over manipulate the skin because that actually could cause a little bit of sensitivities. Perfect, and now you're ready to moisturize. Everyone has a different concern with their skin. So to determine which best option of ingredients and serums are best suited for you, please contact your local Caryl Baker Visage location, and one of our face experts will be more than happy to provide you with a complimentary consultation.